Or this is obviously frog. Number one, the organ right here that it uses to hear. Number two, the eye, there's an upper eyelid, and then there's this clear membrane that protects the eye when it's swimming. Number two is this membrane. Number three, when we open its mouth, it's going to be easy. It's this fleshy organ right here. Number four, inside the mouth, there's a hole that comes through the top. This is the internal, and this is the external what? Number four, I'm looking for a word. There's an external and an internal of this. Number five, there are two kinds of teeth. Number five is the kind of teeth that are found in a row around the outside of the mouth. Number six are these little bumpy teeth right here. There's only two of them, and they're kind of at the roof of the mouth. Number six. Number seven, in the back of the mouth, there is an opening to the lungs. Right there. Goes down to the lungs. Number seven. Number eight, there's an opening above that that goes down to the stomach. Number eight. When you open the frog, you see first three lobes of this organ. Number nine is what is this organ that takes up most of the superficial view of the body cavity. Number nine. Number 10, there's a bunch of this yellow fingery stuff. You removed that, and I will too in just a moment. Number 10, what is all this yellow fingery stuff? Number 11, this beige organ that sits right on top of the, I almost said the answer to number 9. So number 11, what is this beige organ here? Okay, go ahead and pause. Number 12, if you lift up this lobe of the answer to number 9, there's a little small bag the size of a pea. What's that? That's number 12. Okay. Number 13, if you lift up the rest of that organ, you find this large organ right here. This is number 13. Number 14, there's this coiled tube that runs down through the animal. What is that coiled tube? Number 15, in the first curvature of that coiled tube, see if I can get a good picture of it for you here, is this little ribbon of tissue. That's number 15. Number 16, this larger tube right here that exits the body. This is number 16. Number 17 is this round ball attached to all of these tubes. Okay, go ahead and pause. Number 18. There are two of these little brown organs. After you remove the digestive system, you can see two of these brown organs. So this is number 18. What are these? Then another set of brown organs, number 19. There's two of them down in the bottom of the abdominal cavity against the back. Number 19 right here. Number 20, this frog did not have any eggs in its abdomen, so we know that it's a male. Number 20, this little string of tissue right here. And number 21, this deflated sac that's, there you go, this deflated sac that I'm messing with right now. Nothing in it, but there would have been, what's that deflated sac, number 21. There you go. Welcome to the kitty. You're a pretty kitty. On the back of the cat and on its side, there's this large muscle that starts in the small of the back and wraps around the top and attaches up underneath the arm here. What is this muscle? This is 22. Just anterior of that, and actually lapping over the top of it a little bit, is this muscle that attaches to the spine and actually wraps around the shoulder here a little bit. And one edge of it is here and another edge of it is here, and then it gets lost underneath some other muscle. Number 23, what is this muscle right here? Number 24, back on the thigh. Number 24, the major large back of the thigh muscle that I've isolated here. 24. Number 25 is this muscle that's here, and you can see part of it on the inside as well. 25. 26, the abdomen wall. 26, this muscle here, you didn't isolate it because if you had, you would have popped into the organs. 26, this abdomen wall muscle. 27, I'll try to keep the cat together here. 27 is the muscle that you cut in half to enter the abdomen. It's right here, and it runs the length of the abdomen from right into the rib cage down into the pelvis. In you, it's what gets all ripply if you do too many sit-ups. 27. 28, inside the thigh. The back half of inside the thigh. It's been actually removed in partial here, but this is the edge of it. This is 28. Number 29 is this muscle here. It's the lesser of the two of this set. 29 is here. And then 30 is the larger of the two muscles. 30 is this one. 31, this organ here. 32, there are several lobes of it on either side of the answer to 31. Go ahead and pause. 33, this muscle that divides the chest cavity from the abdominal cavity. 33, this muscle right here. 34, this large brown organ, several lobes. 34. 35, this deflated green balloon in the midst of 34. 36, if you lift up that large organ, there's a large muscular bag. 36 is this large muscular bag. 37 is this brown organ hanging off the side of 36. 37 was right here. 38, in between this big bag and the first curvature of the next set of organs, is this leathery, brown, small, flat organ right here where my finger is. This is 38. 39 is a long tube that we have separated from connective tissue. 39, all of this beauty. Yum yum. 40, at the end of that long tube, is a shorter and wider tube. This is 40. 40. Behind all of the digestive organs is this ball. There's another one on the other side as well. There's two. 41. And then 42 is this deflated bag at the bottom of the abdomen. 42. Here we have the urogenital system of a cat, and this organ here, this blue stained organ, one of them here has been cut in half. That's number 43. 43. Number 44, there is a tube that drains this organ. This is 44. 45. This is the main vein that collects blood from the lower extremities of the cat and goes up towards the heart, and blood comes out of this organ and pours into it. Number 45 is the name of this main vein here. Okay, and you can see the structure of the inside of that organ. It's pretty awesome. This was number 45. If you follow it all the way up, this is more of that, right? It's the same thing. Here we have number 46. What is this large round organ right here? Number 47. There are several lobes of this organ that surround number 46. This is number 47. Number 48, this rigid white clearish tube that goes up into Kitty's mouth. 48. Up in the neck area there is a set of very large veins that drain the blood from the head region. This is 48. And then 49, the associated arteries that bring blood up to the head. 49 right here. And here we go. This is number 50. This bone up here. The upper forearm. Number 51 is the larger of the two of the lower forearm. So number 51 is this one, the larger of the two. And number 52 is the smaller. Going down to the lower leg, this bone, the upper part of the lower leg, this is number 53. Number 54 is the larger bone of the lower hind leg. And number 55, we gotta come around. Number 55 is the smaller bone of the lower hind leg. All right, 56. This bony structure going all the way down the back of the cat. 56, what is this bony structure called? 57. There is a stripe of nervous tissue down that same structure. If we were to have cut that in half, we would have seen a stripe of nervous tissue. What's that called? That's 57. 58. There's, can you hold that open? 58. There are several of these white things that come out of this bony structure as we go down. That's just one of many that you can see. 58, what is that? And 59, yay! What is this mass of soft tissue up here? That's inside the head, in case you can't tell. Awesome. 59 is a weird place to leave questions, so we'll just do number 60. Did you have fun? Okay.